Okay, the next training system we're going to be working on is something called strip sets. This might be quite similar to a drop set. What I'm actually going to get Colin to do, work for an allotted number of reps, which is going to be 6 to 8, okay? However, in the end of that first set, he's then going to go straight into basically stripping the weight off there, like running the rack essentially. So we're going to just take the weight off, take the weight off, take the weight off. Colin's not going to have any allotted rest time. That's going to be on from the get-go at the end of that first set, all right? With the view to trying to incorporate hitting those additional muscle fibers that might have been missed in the initial set, so we can completely fatigue the muscle at the end of that strip set. So I'm going to give Colin a demonstration of the exercise. We're then going to be in a position to actually load the weight up, and then we're going to give it a go. A big drive through the heels, Colin, yeah. Obviously, when you re-rack at that point there, we've got the allotted weight on. The weight's going to be pulled. You're going to rep till failure or as close to the allotted rep range within that set. Strip the weight, go. Strip the weight, go until there's no more weight on either side of the plate, and that will be the end of our set. All right. Okay, great. So now we're in a position. We're ready to engage in the strip set. All right. So we can see we've got the weight loaded on the rack on each side here. Colin's going to be working for 6 to 8 reps, okay? The end of that set, the first 20 is going to come off this side, first 20 is going to go off the right side, and then he's going to continue to repeat the process until all weight, and he's run the whole rack, okay? All right, Colin, you ready to go? Okay, on you. Good. Nice control. 2, good. 3, great work, mate. 4, good. Let's push for that 8. 5, good. Keep getting that depth in the rep. You're doing really well. 6, good. Nice control. 7, good. Perfect. All right, well done. Re-rack. He's now going straight back in. Okay, when we're ready. Keep that 6 to 8 in mind. 1, good. 2, great work, Colin. 3, controls really good. 4, good. 5, we push that last 3, come on. 6, good, and again, mate, and again. 7, good, 1 more. Yeah, well done. All right, re-rack back in, well done. I started to get that little bit of burn building up now. All right, set 3, let's go. Keep that rep count in mind, mate. And 1, good. 2. 3, excellent. Come on, Colin, come on. 4, good. 5, work it through, come on, come on. 6, let's hit that 8, and again. 7, good, 1 more. Oh, great work, mate. Well done. Here we go, set 4. Have to work through that burn, think about that total volume we're trying to get out within this set. Let's do it. 1, good. 2. 3, excellent. Come on, big effort. 4. 5, good. Big last 3 reps, and we go. 2 more, come on, mate. Last 1. Yes, well done, brilliant. All right, last push, mate. Last 1. And push, good. 1. 2. 3, brilliant. 4, last 4 reps, mate, big effort, come on, and we go. 5, good. And up, excellent, last 2. 1 more. In and recover, well done. We take the weight off. And that was our example there of running the rack, working for that strip set all the way through. Remember, we want to make sure that we can hit all muscle fibers within that working phase there. As the weight gets a little bit lighter, it allows Colin to maybe recruit some of those others that might not have got the full work in the earlier sets. Great work, Colin.